Ever looked at your bathtub and thought, how did it get this bad? Soap scum, hard water stains, grime. It builds up faster than you think. Today, I'm showing you the best way to clean a bathtub. Easily, effectively, and without harsh chemicals. Stick around because I'm sharing some bathtub cleaning hacks that will literally make it sparkle like new. Trust me, a dirty tub isn't just gross. It can also be packed with bacteria and mold. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean bathtub stains, how to remove soap scum, and even how to whiten your bathtub. Here's what you'll need: baking soda, white vinegar, dish soap, a spray bottle, a scrub brush, and a microfiber cloth. First, run some hot in in your tub for a few minutes. This helps to loosen up all that stubborn grime and soap scum. Then, drain the water completely. You want the surface damp but not soaking. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface. In a spray bottle, mix equal parts white vinegar and dish soap and spray it all over the baking soda. You'll see it start to fizz. That's science doing its magic. Now, using your scrub brush or old toothbrush, start scrubbing in circular motions. Focus on the areas with the worst stains. For extra dirty spots, sprinkle a little more baking soda and scrub again. Don't be afraid to put a little muscle into it. Finally, rinse the tub thoroughly with warm water. Wipe it down with a clean cloth or sponge and just look at that shine. You've just learned the best way to clean a dirty bathtub. Pro tip: spray your tub weekly with a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water to prevent soap scum buildup. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home hacks, and drop a comment. See you next time, and happy cleaning!